Hey YouTube, it's Little226K. So, as you see, I got my hair cut. Well, I combed it, brushed it, and put some grease in it today. I made it slick to the side, and I really like it. So I thought I would just show amongst my fellow hair lovers how did I do it. So take a good look at it. You see how it's to the side? I bet you guys are wondering, how did he do that? Well, here's my little secret of how I did it. First, I get some Esco grease. But don't put the, if you get this, actually these come separate at the hair store. So what I do is I take it, and then I rub it in my hands. Then I put it to, like, if you want it to this side, you put it to that side. If you want it to this side, you put it to that side. Or you can do front and backwards. It doesn't matter. So what I do is to this side. And I keep rubbing it until, and then I look in the mirror to see if it's all the way slicked down. And if it looks like that to you, then okay. Then the next thing I do is I brush it. Then some grease might pop up, so I rub that down, and I just keep brushing it. If the grease doesn't come off, sometimes I just wipe it off with a towel. And then you'll have your hair looking to the side. Well, that's just my secret. Don't forget, comment, rate, subscribe. Peace out, yo.